Mobile tower signal line, problem based on mobile tower signal line. 3 mobile towers are installed at points P minus 2 comma 4, Q 0 comma 2 and R 4 comma minus 2. A telecom company wants to check whether they lie on the same signal transmission line. Justify your answer. So here I need to check whether they are collinear or not. So 3 points P minus 2 comma 4, Q 0 comma 2, R 4 comma minus 2. So first what I'll do, I'll find the distance of PQ, QR, then PR. If PQ distance and QR distance sum, the sum of PQ and QR, if it is equal to PR, then they are collinear. So first here I'll find PQ distance. So P here is minus 2 comma 4, Q is 0 comma 2. So I'll take x1 y1, x2 y2. Now the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now here PQ distance under root x2 0 minus x1. So already it is minus, so minus of minus plus 0 plus 2 whole square. Y2 2 minus y1 which is 4, 2 minus 4 whole square. 0 plus 2 is 2 square. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 square. So 2 square is 4, minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 plus 4 I'll write 2 times 4. 4 root 4 is 2. So 2 root 2. This is PQ. Now I'll find QR. Q is 0 comma 2. R is 4 comma minus 2. So again here this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Now QR distance under root x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0 whole square, y2 minus 2 minus y1 which is 2. So here now 4 minus 0 is 4 square, minus 2 is minus 4. When both are negative, add and keep minus n. 4 square is 16, 4 square is 16. So 2 times 16 plus 16, 32. 2 times 16, which is nothing but root 16 is 4, 4 root 2 units. Now I'll find the distance of PR. So here the value of P is minus 2 comma 4, R is 4 comma minus 2. So here R is 4 comma minus 2. I'll take these values are like x1 y1, x2 y2. Now if I'll find distance PR under root x2 4 minus x1, minus of minus plus 2, y2 is minus 2 minus y1 which is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 square. 36 6 square minus 6 whole square is 36. So I'll represent this as like 2 times 36 and root 36 is 6 root 2. 6 root 2 units. Now if you'll check here, PQ plus QR. If it is equal to QR, then they are collinear. So PQ is 2 root 2, QR is 4 root 2 and PR, sorry here it is, PR is 6 root 2. 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 is clearly 6 root 2. 6 root 2 equals 6 root 2. Therefore, the mobile towers which are installed at PQR P, Q, R lie on the same straight line. Lie on the same line.